Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I got more stickers, and I'm gonna open them, so let's get to it. Reason I didn't say what stickers is because I have no idea. The packaging that comes from AliExpress is extremely nondescript. It simply just says sticker. So I ordered a bunch of different stickers. I already got the Mandalorian ones, so I know it's not Star Wars The Mandalorian stickers, but let's see what it is. So again, just like the other package, it looks very similar to the other package, the Mandalorian stickers that I got. Very nondescript packaging. The address it came from, my address, which I clearly blocked that out. And yeah, so let's open that up. Just gonna do a little tear there. Again, package was in good shape, just like the last time. Kind of hard to mess up shipping stickers, I think. Here they are. Let's see if you can guess from that picture what these stickers are. You can pause the video and put your guesses down below in the comment section. I know exactly what it is. These are my stickers that I ordered that are all office themed. Office as in Office, NBC's The Office. So what do we got here? We got some stapler and Jello. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this. We got Michael Scott, Stanley Hudson, some Dwight Schrute. A lot of Dwight Schrute. That's what she said. Don't be an idiot. I think I made the right choice. Oh. So we just got a ton, or I got a ton. Ton is a literal measure of weight, so I shouldn't be saying ton all the time. We got 50 office stickers. I understand nothing. So if you are an Office fan like I am, while supplies last, if you subscribe to the channel and like this video and hit that bell icon, and then you let me know in the comments section that you did such things, I will send you a sticker free of charge. Live every day like it's pretzel day. Now that is a motto to live by. The Office. These are pretty good. I'll say that looking at them, the quality's not bad. It's not great. I felt like the quality of the Mandalorian ones was a little better, but these are not bad for as cheap as they were, and they were really, really inexpensive. I'll put the information in the video there or somewhere that talks about the vendor that I got these from and how much they were and how long they took to get here, which I don't think it took that long. I think I ordered these the same time that I ordered the sunglasses. Now, you may be asking, why do I keep getting stickers? Well, besides to give out, because they're fun to give out and they're easy to ship, this is my water bottle from work. That's where I work. And you can see I put one on here that I got from the Mandalorian stickers, and I put a Vans one on here that I got when I ordered some random other item. I don't remember what it was at the time. It was one of my first orders ever on AliExpress, and they sent me a Vans sticker just as a freebie. And yeah, so I put it on my water bottle. So my plan is to have this water bottle completely full of stickers at some point. But that's the plan. So that's that. 50 Office, NBC The Office stickers. If you want one, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and leave a comment letting me know that you did those things, and I'll mail you one. Thanks for watching, and until next time.